Come test drive the 2018 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.